Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it. When you try search something and you have the same notification as mine in the Google Chrome, we must fix it by go back to the main menu, swipe up the screen and navigate to the settings. In it, we look for General Management option where we have our date and time. To fix our problem, we must switch on first function. After that, all would work. We can go back to the Google Chrome and try search something like Facebook, and it is working right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.